Hey, I'm Ginny. Some of you might know me from my kitchen, and today I'm excited to show you how to put together a delicious trifle for your Christmas dinner. Christmas is the season of love, joy, and peace. I'm sure all of us want love in our lives, joy with our loved ones, and peace within us and on this earth. How can we have this? In fact, can we even fathom that we can have love, joy, and peace in our complex world? We can. We really can when we invite Jesus into our lives. He is victorious on the throne, having overcome death. Believing in Him can give us love, joy, and peace, even in our dangerous, destructive, demanding, difficult world. To encourage you, for this Christmas series, we feature a few mummies to share how Jesus has made a difference in their lives. Open your hearts and minds this Christmas. Seek Lord Jesus and you will find Him. He not only gives us love, joy, and peace, but also hope. For He has promised us He will return to this earth. Jesus will come on the clouds of the sky with power and glory. Matthew 24:30. So if you'd like to learn more, please message Wow Mom. We'd love to share with you. Now, let's get back to making that beautiful and delicious Christmas trifle to celebrate Christ's birth. A nice, lovely, creamy cream cheese here that your children are going to love. Okay? Now, it's putting together the trifle. There are many ways of doing this. You can have 2 layers, but today it's just 1 layer. I've set my jelly. I did it overnight, and so it's nice and firm. So I've sliced my strawberries, and I'm going to place them around the bowl, and this will have a very pretty pattern around the bowl. It doesn't matter if your strawberries are not the same size. Just go round the sides of your bowl and it will create a very pretty design. Now, I'm sure some of you realize that if you want to use liquor, you can also add that on to your trifle. Okay? And that is when you pour the liquor onto your cake. Right, but today I'm not doing that. You can do it if you want to. Okay, so can you see the design on my trifle bowl? Okay, then my pound cake goes into the center. Okay, so I've got my pound cake. This is raspberry, and you can taste the texture of the raspberry, the bits of seeds inside, and that gives it a crunch. Just place your cake on your jelly. Okay, so you've got the center filled up. Don't worry if you've got extra cake, just hold on to it. Okay, and you want to pack it in. Now I'm going to pour in the cream cheese. Okay. This is where, if you want to put liquor, this is where you can put it in. You can drizzle it over your cake and let it soak in. Then you can have your cream cheese over your cake. Spread it out. And also, at this point, I've got a little bit more of my cream cheese. I'm going to add a little bit more cake into my cream cheese. Okay, so your trifle gets to be more substantial. Okay, and add the remaining cream cheese on top. is really delicious. Try to cover your cake with the cream. And now I'm going to add my strawberries on top. Just decorate it as you please. There, it's done. Your family and friends will really go wow when you bring this up and out for dinner. May God's love, joy and peace be yours and your families. Blessed Christmas.